Hello everyone, good morning, good evening. Welcome to the another session. Please confirm my audio and screen on the chat window. Audio audible, screen visible. Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? Hello, good morning, good evening. Today I'm late. I'm sorry for that. Just a moment, guys. Let me share the link to the Telegram group. Just a moment, huh? Okay, done. So we are here. Thank you so much for joining. Just a moment. Hello. Hello, Soumya. So today our main agenda is to learn the flow control. Okay. So in that flow control, Chandan. So in flow control, we are going to learn all those flow control like selection statement, iterative statement, as well as transfer statement. So our main agenda is to learn these slides, okay, having the coding. So these are all the few PPT, but this part is most on coding area, less theory, more coding. Okay, so we are talking everything around this diagram only. Hope this diagram is feasible to you. Okay, good. So the first thing that we are going to start with the selection statement. Okay, selection statement. So if you see here, the flow control is basically divided into the three parts. One is called selection, second one is called iterative, third one is called transfer. It just treat as a English. Selection means from something or out of something you need something. Out of something means you are doing some selection process. Whereas iterative means you are actually iterating something. You have a data someplace, set of data you have in some places. From that you are iterating one by one. That is reason this is called as a iterative statement. Okay. Now Coming to the third area, which is called transfer statement. Transfer, same English word, transfer. Transfer means currently I am here, you want me to transfer somewhere else. Okay, so you are transferring the execution from one place to another place. So that's the reason it called as a transfer statement. Inside the selection, basically we have if else and switch. Okay, whereas for iterative statement we have while, do while, for and for each. Likewise, for transfer statement we have break, continue, return, try, catch, final. We are going to write the code for each and everything, so don't worry. Okay, understood the agenda for today? Okay, good. Now the next thing that we are going to learn is called if else. What we are going to learn? If else. So for if else, it is simple. It is just a simple English. If else. I will explain you. Just a moment, guys. If else means visible, right? Okay. Okay. Now assume that, what is the name of this guy? Whose name I said? Mr. Nayak. Okay. Nayak. This is Mr. Nayak. Okay. He want to go to office. Okay. This is office. He want to go to office. Okay. So he started from the home. He came to the, his main junction, but traffic is there. From this junction, there are total 3 road or 3 paths which is connecting his office with the equal distance. Assume that. Okay. So when he started from the home, what is his idea? To reach office on time. That was the only his goal, to reach the office online. But as soon as Mr. Nayak reached to the junction, what he realized that the road A, okay, road A and road B has heavy traffic. Okay. Since road A and road B have the traffic, so Mr. Nayak decided to choose the road C in order to reach the office. Clear? Second day, again he started Second day, he came to the, again started from the home. He don't have his mindset that either he has to choose the path A or choose the path B or C. His only motivation is to reach the office on time. Second day, what he did, he saw the B path and C path having the traffic. So he chose the path A to go to the office. Clear? Now question here is, there is no predetermination for Mr. Nayak. Meaning that Mr. Nayak did not thought that or did not make a pre-mindset that I have to choose path A, path B or path C in order to reach the office. So as soon as he is reaching to the his traffic area, then and there he is deciding which path he has to take to reach to office on time, not online. Okay. So this area is what? This area is what? Decision making area. Yes or no? So this area is called decision making area. Before that, he don't have any pre-mindset, so I cannot say this area is decision making area. So he is deciding once he is reaching to this place, depends upon the traffic. Now, speaking little bit more English, Mr. Nayak thinking that if A, please focus, Mr. Nayak thinking that if A and B, focus, if A and B have the traffic, then we have to choose the path C. If A and B, else C. Clear? If A and B, otherwise else C. Similar way in second attempt, B and C, else A. Got it? You got the English? If else, if else. So that is total agenda here. So this total conversation is depends upon the decision making. How we are making the decision. So these kinds of situation we already exist in our day-to-day life. So how to handle these kinds of situation? We have something called decision making statement that we learn. Apart from the decision making, we are learning what? If else. So this diagram is basically for if and else. Clear or not clear? Now if not clear, I am going to write the code. Hopefully it got cleared. Just hold on. Theory, you got it or not? If A, B, otherwise C. Very good. Now this is the flow control project I already have created. Now I am creating the package com.apipothi dot what? If I cannot write if, I can write if else. Okay. So far you are good or not, guys? Please ping me on the chat window. Now I'm creating one class called lab1. Okay. Guys, please respond me on the chat window. So far, are you clear or not? What is wrong here? Okay, huh. Start lab 1. Start lab 2. This is end. Lab 1 only. Okay. So this example is dedicated to what? If condition. If condition. So just coming to this slide again. Okay. Little bit more theory. So if you see, if condition is basically syntax is if, then B is condition. Okay. If condition is true, then I am coming here. If condition is false, I am coming else part. Clear? So if, then bracket start, then condition, then bracket close, then curly braces start. That is the only syntax. I am going to write the code, then you will get it easily. So there are two things, if and if else. Okay, there's two things called if and if else. So what to write? I am writing here int x equal to 0. Okay. Now what I am putting here? Putting a equal to 10, int b equal to 20. Okay. Now what is the condition of if else? I am writing here if. Okay. Then open bracket, close bracket. Then here what I am going to write? Condition. 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 Important thing about this condition is, just hold on guys, let me create one file and write the notes here so that I can explain you better. So what I'm writing here, if condition, condition, then close bracket, then open close curly braces, and then here do your business. If true, okay, if condition is true. This is very important guys, because I am going to ask you so many questions on top of that. Okay, else do your business here, because condition is false. So if you are writing here false, which is fine, but by default this is false only, because here I am writing the true. Okay, good. So if condition is true, then do your work here. If condition is false, then do your work here. If this work, I am saying that is task 1, and this work I am saying as this is task 2. Okay. Now repeating the same thing again. If condition is true, then do the task 1. Else do the task 2. Please focus here. If condition is true. Now since I am always making this statement that if condition is true, yes or no, or false. If condition is true, then do this one. If condition is false, then do this one. So technically what I am doing, if condition is true, now I am writing in English, not Java. If condition is true, then task 1. Okay. Same thing I am writing, if condition is false, then task 2. Clear or not clear? This is English. This is what? Not Java. If condition is true, then task 1. If condition is false, then task 2. Now please focus here. My condition is depends upon what? Mr. Condition is depends upon what? Tell me. Condition is depends upon what? True, TRU, true or false. Clear? Condition is depend upon what? Condition is depend upon true and false. Same line I am writing here. Now, same thing I am asking. Condition is depends upon what? Shall I write this Mr. True and false to Boolean? Yes or no? Yes. Technically, what I am trying to say is that this condition is always a Boolean. Always a Boolean. Clear or not clear? This condition is always a Boolean. You got it? Why Boolean? How Boolean? Now coming to the here, I have initialized variable a of integer type, value 10, b 20. Here I am saying a is greater than b. Greater than, less than, which types of output you will get out of that Boolean? Either true or false. Since condition is only accepting the true and false, that is the reason I have to provide the input in such a way that it should return Boolean value. So if a is greater than b, then I am writing here what I am writing here. A is greater than b. That's all. Else what? Else is, if a is not greater than b, then what? Then a is less than b only, no? Or equal to, but I am just straightforward now. Clear or not clear? Now I am just compiling this code. What is the value of a? 10. What is the value of b? 20. 10 is greater than 20, yes or no? No, 10 is not greater than 20. Where I will go? This line will get printed. Now let me run this code. Tick, 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 tick. You see, a is less than b, got printed because this condition went false. False means execute the else. Clear or not clear? Clear. Now, second idea is that I want to make true. I want to make this condition as a true. How to do that? So a is greater than b. So I am putting here 30. 30 is greater than 20. Yes or no? Yes. Then what it will print? It will print line number 15. So if I will run now, it is going to print the line number 15, which is a is greater than b. Now you got to know if else little bit. There are so many things to learn, but somehow you got or not. Guys, tell me. Now lab number 3. Lab number 3. Now what I am doing here, I am removing this part. What I am doing? I am removing else part. I am only keeping the if. I am only keeping the if. Since I am only keeping the if, so if I run this code, what will happen? A is greater than b, 30 is greater than 20, correct? This line will get printed. So if I run this code, this line will get printed. You see? But what is new here? New in lab number 4. Lab number 4, what I am doing now? Now I am changing the value of B to 50. Now what I am doing? I am saying A is greater than B. 30 is greater than 50, yes or no? 30 is greater than 50, yes or no? 30 is greater than 50, yes or no? No. Condition false. Condition false means line number 15 will not get executed. Since condition is false, so line number 15 will not get executed. Question is that then what will get executed? Nothing, because I have not mentioned the else condition. If I will write, if I will execute this code, only the print statement will get executed. That's all. Lab number 4, lab number 5. Because I have not mentioned that if condition is false, then what is happening? Do you see here? So nothing. Clear or not clear? So altogether what I am trying to say, you can have if only, you can have if and else combination also. Clear or not clear? But now you are thinking that, sir, can I write only else condition? No. Only else condition not applicable. Okay? Only else condition not applicable applicable. Either if with else or only if. No another choice. So far you are good or not good? Then I will move. Little bit more twist here. What is the twist? Lab number 5. Now twist here is, I am writing here else. Okay. And I am writing here A is less than B. Simple. Okay. Twist here is, this A and B, what is the final output of A is greater than B? Either true or false. What if is accepting only true and false. So what I am doing, I am not interested to check, rather than I am hard coding my response here. I did the hard code. I am not checking at all. Now tell me, what is the output you will get it? You came to A equal to 30, correct. B equal to 50, correct. Line number 14, you came and see if no condition, simply true. Means for anything, this is the true only. Since this is the true, so this condition will get executed always. Else condition will not get executed. Yes or no? So if I will run this code, you see A is greater than B. No matter what is my value, because I am not checking the value here, I am not performing any conditional operation. Rather than that, I have simply hard coding the Boolean value. Why Boolean value? Because if he is only looking for Boolean, Boolean means true and false. So I am hard coding the true. Now in similar way, lab number 6. Here I am, instead of true, I am putting the false. Okay. Since I am putting the false, so that if code will not get executed, only Mr. line number 17 will get printed. Okay. For any of the value. Either you give true or false, because I am only hard coding the false here. So A is less than B will get printed. This is clear or not clear, guys? Tell me. Tell me. Clear. Now coming to the lab number 7. So you came to the junction. From there you are deciding either you go to the, either you are picking the path A or path B or path C in order to reach the office. So that is the condition you are making as soon as you are reaching to the your conditional area. Chances that you are lazy, okay, and you don't want to take any decision yourself, okay, either true or false. You don't want to take a decision, you don't want to do any work, which means that I am putting here true. If true, semicolon, work done. So if I am true also, I don't want to do any operation. So now if I will run, you will get output as a only this line, start and end. Do you see? So this is also possible. This syntax is also possible altogether. That's what I am trying to say. Similar cases, if I will put here false also, no worry. If I am false, I am fine, I am happy, self-motivated. I don't want to do any work. Got it? If I am true, self-motivated, no work. If I am false, self-motivated, no work. Got it? So this is also one kind of coding. Now, lab number 9. So we understood various permutation and combination. Now little bit more twist here, okay? Tick. Statement 1, okay? Statement 2. Statement 3. Statement 1. I am putting 1, 2, 3, 4. Lab number 9. Lab number 9. Okay. Please focus here. This is the important one. So I'm just putting some condition, dynamic A is greater than B. Okay. Not putting true and false. Now please focus here, this area only. So I came to the, try to understand the execution. Okay. I came to the line number 11. Value A got initialized with 30. B got initialized with 50. Then came to the line number 14. I am simply printing statement 1 will get printed successfully, no doubt. Now coming to the line number 15. 15 I am checking A is greater than B. 30 is greater than 50. True or false? False. Since this is the false, so I will not go inside the true, which means line number 16 will get skipped and I will be moved to the line number 18. Got it? Line number 18, statement 3 will get printed. I am just writing here. Pre means print. This means also print. Now as soon as I will come out of if else, do you see line number 21? So line number 21 will also get printed. Clear? So altogether or apart from start and end, 1, 3 and 4 will be the our output. Let us see. 1, 3 and 4. Are you able to see 1, 3 and 4? This is the in the case of true. No, in the case of false. Now, lab number 10. Okay, lab number 10. 10. Okay. Here what I am trying to do, A is greater than B. A is greater than B. So 90 is greater than 50. Condition true. So first of all, line number 14 will get printed because 14 does not depends upon any condition. So this is just the straight execution. Line number 14 done. Came to the line number 15. 15 is saying that A is greater than B. A is greater than B. meaning 90 is greater than B. 90 is greater than B is true. True means statement 2. Okay. Since this condition is true, so I have printed the, or line number 16 will get executed. I will never go into the else condition, so this line will not get printed, and I will come out of the if else. Then I saw line number 21 which will get printed. So the output is 1, 2 and 4. Tick. 1, 2 and 4. Clear or not clear, guys? Tell me. Clear? Little bit more twist. Little bit more twist. Lab number 11. Sir, one doubt. Doubt is here. Mr. Nayak started from the home to reach the office. He went to his traffic area, from where he is deciding which path to select. Okay. Now let me take the eraser and little bit do the cleaning here. Okay. Hold on. All good, huh? So now Mr. Nayak came to the decision making area, which is junction area. From here there are 3 paths to go to the office: path A, path B and path C. Chances that the path A has the traffic, so Mr. Nayak is not going to choose, but path B and path C both does not have the traffic, so he is happy to choose either B or C. This case is also valid. Similar case, in second iteration or in second day, he found that A and B does not have the traffic, whereas C has the traffic. So still he has 2 choices, either A or B, to reach to the office. But when we are writing the code, do you see here, either true or false, either true or all false. So we have only one choice left, either true or false. Then there should be something which is giving me the access of more than one true. Yes or no? I can choose path A, that is also correct, path B, that is also correct. Now you will get confused little bit here, but just hold on, because I am also confused now what I am going to teach you. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Right. Let me remove this one. Okay. So first, if A is greater than B, then go to the here. Else if A is greater than B. Okay, let me write something, then later we'll see. Greater than C, int C equal to 20. Okay. Just hold on, guys. As I already told you, I am only confused what example I am going to write. So this is the statement statement 1. Okay. Now else condition statement 2. Now else condition statement 3. But what I wanted to do, that is the important part. So I will have some extra space so that you can get it easily. Now good. So what I wanted to do is, A is greater than B. A is greater than B. A is greater than B, condition true. B, oh wow, B is, I am so intelligent. I wrote the code in one go. B is greater than C, which I wrote correctly. Now please focus here. A equal to 90, B equal to 50, C equal to 20. I have just given some random value. Okay. Line number 15, what I am checking? I am checking A is greater than B or not. A is greater than B. 90 is greater than B. 90 is greater than 50. Condition true. I should have come here. Clear? Just for your understanding, I am writing here print. So this line will get printed. Now coming to the line number 19 here. Do you see line number 19? Yes. In 19, I am checking B is greater than C. 50 is greater than C. 50 is greater than 20. 50 is greater than 20. Condition true. Where I will go? Line number 21. Done. Now, please focus here. The things here to focus for you is that A is also true. I mean, line number 15 is also true. Line number 19 is also true. Which means that you have only traffic only in A, where B and C are clear to go to the office. In second day, A and B both making the condition true. C is only having the traffic. Got it? Now if I will run this code, you will see some magic, which I am going to explain now. Now you are seeing, sir, you explained me. This line will also get printed, which is yes. This line will also get printed. I said yes. But when I am running the code, only a statement, one is getting printed. Then why you said that a statement 2 is also getting printed? Tell me. Again, coming to the here. Please focus. Now what I told you that, I told you that you came to the from the home, you made a decision that if having the traffic, so you are not going to choose the path A. Clear? Decision done. Now you have the path B and you have the path C. Both are free to reach the office. Exactly same time it will take either path B or path C. Which one you will choose? Tell me. Which one you will choose? Either any of them. It is not like, right? You choose the B, you went to office, then again return back, and then again choose the path C, then again you are going to office. Does this happen? Because B and C does not have the traffic? No, it won't happen. As soon as you selected the path, you reached the office, done for the day. Right or not? So you will not choose the path C, although path C does not have the traffic. Getting it or not, guys? This is very important one. Considering same theory, this line is also true. This line is also true. Which true came first to you? Which true came first to you? This true. That is the reason you are taking this task. Clear or not clear? And this will not get printed. If you want me to explain again, I will explain you again. But you have to ping me on the chat window. Line number 15 is true. Line number 19 is true, which means that B and C does not have the traffic. But you need only one path to go office. Either B or C. You don't need all the two paths. You started from the B, reached the office, done. It is not like that you took the path B, reached the office, again come back and again choosing the path C. Does this happen in reality? No, it will not happen. That is the reason who is giving you the first true will go with them only. Okay. Little bit more twist here, then you will got it. If you have any doubt. Tick, 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 tick. Lab number 12. Lab number 12. So here, what I want to teach you. A is greater than B. I want to make this condition false. So 30 is greater than 50, false. B is greater than C. So I'm putting here 10. Okay. Now please focus here. I have kept the value of A, B and C 30, 10, 20. Coming to the line number 15. A is greater than B. What is happening? A is greater than B. No. Now good. A is greater than B. 3 is greater than 10. Yes or no? No. Condition false. So I came to the line number 19. 19 is saying that B is greater than C. 10 is greater than 20. No. Condition false. I will not move here. So this will also not get printed. This will also not get printed. Then else condition will come into the picture. Meaning if none of them are true, then I am here to help you. Got it? If none of them are true, I am going to help you. Line number 15 false, line number 17 false, then line number 20 has to be true at any cost. Got it? Hold on. So you will get output as a statement 3. Got it? So these are all is the permutation combination of if and else condition. Hope you enjoyed. Enjoyed or not enjoyed, guys, please ping me on the chat window. Yes. Now coming to the next concept is called, where we are still in selection statement. Inside the selection statement we have learned if else. Okay. Now we are going to learn switch condition. What we are going to learn? Switch. But how to teach you the switch? Now I am creating the package com.APIPOTHI. APIPOTHI dot, what you are going to learn? Switch. Okay, switch. SWITCH. So I am putting here switch S, simply one extra S. Now I am creating here lab 1. Inside the lab 1 I'm having the main method system.out.println, just for tracking purpose. Start lab 1. Good. Now this is dedicated to switch. Switch is little bit enhancement of if and else condition only. Got it? Switch is enhancement of little bit on if and else. Since we understood the if and else, so switch will be easy for us to understand. Okay? How to write the code for switch? How to write? Int a equal to 10. Okay. switch A. Case 1. S out. Case 1. Don't worry, I am going to explain. Switch case. Case 1, case 2, case 10. Okay, 1, 2, 10. Okay. Please focus here, guys. So how basically it will work is, so how basically it is going to work is, so this is the switch. Now we are only talking about the syntax. Okay, switch is the keyword. Inside the A, okay, in if and else condition, what we will be having? Boolean, either true or false. Okay, but here in switch case, it is not the boolean, it is the value. Now what is happening is, I said int a equal to 10, switch of A. Okay, then this is the inside the switch we have the multiple cases. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case n, case ABCD. Now please understand how this is going to traverse. So I came A equal to 10, no problem. Now I came to this line number 12. So what is it is this line is saying switch of A. This will get translated to Java as WITCH switch of 10. Got it? It got translated like that, switch of 10. Technically switch of 10 means, now this 10 should be available the value of case. Meaning, what do you mean value of case? If I will translate this one, so if I will ask you this one, what is the value of this case? 1. Yes or no? Yes. What is the value of this case? 2. What is the value of this case? 10. Now this 10 match with this 10. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Till now you are good. Now let me run this code, then I will explain you more. Do you see here? The case 10 is only get printed. Do you see case 1 and case 2 got printed? No. Case 1 and case 2 did not get printed. Why? Why? Because from here I am stating that switch of 10. Switch of 10 means case of 10. Case of 10 means this one. Match case of 10. That is the reason this line will only get printed, whereas this line not. Clear or not? Don't worry, let me write some more code. Following with that, I am writing one more code here, lab 2. Take. Now I am int equal to a equal to 1. A equal to 1. Int a equal to 1 means what? Tell me, int a equal to 1 means what? Switch of 1. Switch of 1 means what? Case of 1. Case of 1 means what? Case of 1 means what? Case of 1. This line will get printed. not this, not this. If I will run this code, now again confusion. Sir, you said that case of 1. Okay. Now what is happening? Case 1 got printed. Then why case 2 and case 10 will also get printed? I told you, no confusion. There is a reason. There is a reason for that. That's the reason I wrote the example in this way. There is a reason. Okay. There is a reason. Hold on, guys. Okay, sorry. So there is a reason. Now I am writing here break. Okay. And I am writing here, not here. Let me create the another lab number 3. Now I am writing here break. Okay. Now if I will run, whatever I have explained earlier, that will get true. Now you see, case 1 will get only executed. Explanation remains same. Int a equal to 1, switch of a, switch of 1, switch of 1 means case of 1, this will get printed. Now what will happen is, I made a break here. Technically what I am trying to say is that, if break, then no need to execute anything. Clear? Clear? Little bit more twist. Little bit more twist. Lab number 4. So now I am putting here 2 and removing the break. Okay. Now tell me the output on the chat window. Int a equal to 2, switch of 2. Switch of 2 means case of 2, case of 2, this one. This to 100% will get printed. Now question is that, does case 1 or case 10 will also get printed or not? Tell me yes or no. No, the case 1 will not get printed, although I have not written the break. The default behavior of switch is, now please understand, the default behavior of switch is that from where I am true, I will go from where I am true. After that, whatever the case will come, I will get it printed. Got it? So case number 10 will get printed. Okay. Now 2 and 10. Do you see 2 and 10? You got now? Any confusion? Why 1 did not get? But little bit twist here. If I will change the value of a equal to 1, then this will get printed, this will get printed, this will means 1, 2, 10. Similarly, if I will change a equal to 10, so from where I am true, below all those should get printed. A equal to 10, case 10. After case 10, do you see anything? No, which means it did not get printed. Okay. So what was the output? 2. So, and here I am changing restoring the value to 2. Tick. You are so intelligent. Now, what I am thinking, little bit more complex. Now you understand switch case. There are three things we understood, just giving you the quick recap. A equal to 10, I have case equal to 10, below only one statement, that's the reason this got printed. Lab 2, case A equal to 1, I got, I found case 1 here, so all those below case will get printed correct. Lab number 3, I made it break, means wherever you are true, that much only you are responsible to do. So case A equal to 1, switch off 1, case of 1, done, break. 2 and 10 will not get printed. Lab number 4 is also modified with that only. Now, chances that I am writing here 20. I am writing here 20. Now tell me, int a equal to 20. Int a equal to 20 means what? Tell me. Means switch off 20. Switch off 20. Switch off 20 means what? Case of 20. Do you see anything case of 20 anywhere? No. Case of 20, nowhere. In that case, nothing will get printed. Do you see? No output. But this is not the ideal way of coding. Output should be there. Okay, at any cost. So, to understand this developer issue, Java came with another concept or extended concept of what? Switch case. Let me rename the lab first, lab number 6. Tell me, any idea? I also don't know. Default. So switch came with the another idea called default. Default means I am default. Default means if none of them or none of your value are true, then I am here to help you. Got it? So A of 20, switch of 20, case of 20 not exist, then default will be get executed. Okay? So output is I am default only. Little bit more twist here. Little bit more twist, guys. Thank you, Rahul, for responding. You are so intelligent. Lab number 7. Now little bit more twist here. Lab number 7. Now I am putting A equal to 1. A equal to not 1. I am putting 2 now. Okay. Now tell me what will be the output. We'll go one by one. A equal to 2. A equal to 2 means switch of 2. Switch of 2 means case of 2 is our starting point. So I reached here. This line will get printed. Done. Question is that this is the starting point. Case 10 will also get printed. Yes. Yes. But that is not the question. Question is that does Mr. Default will also get printed or not? Does Mr. Default will get also printed? Because in the last example, I said that if none of them, your condition will match, then default will get printed. But I have not mentioned that if condition will get matched, does still default scopes are there or not? Tell me. Did I mention? No. Now if I will run this code, you will get confused. Confusion is no confusion. Concept remains same. You got output as a 2. Now looks good. Output as a 2, which is obvious. Output was 10. That was also obvious. Question was on I am default will get printed or not. Concept remains same. From where I am true, from where I am matching, below that everything will get printed. So default will also get printed, does not matter whether your case is matching or not matching. Not matching 100% will get printed, matching will get printed also. Okay, very good, you are so intelligent. Now coming to the lab number 8. Lab number 8, little bit more twist I want to do, and I forgot what I want to do. Okay, lab number 8. Now same, everything same, but what I'm doing here, I am adding the break after each case. Okay, one thing is very obvious, that my work done, I am coming out. Okay, that is the meaning of work, a break. Now let me put everything in one screen, visible, right? A equal to 2, switch of 2, case of 2, I came here, case 2 printed, I am happy, done. Case 10 will not get printed because here is the break. Okay, so case 10 will not get printed. Question here is that, does default still get printed? Tell me on the chat window. Does Mr. Default will still get printed? No, because break means break. Break means I am done. I am done means for everyone, not only for case, for default also I am done. So the output is only case 2. Clear? Clear or not clear? So I have successfully taught you all the concepts of break. Now you must be thinking that, sir, where is the continue? Continue and break will come under the transfer statement. Now come to this slide. Focus here, guys. Just think as a English. What break was doing? What break was doing? Transferring your call from one place to another place. What continue was doing? Transferring your call from one place to another place. That is the reason this break and continue will come under the transfer statement, not under the selection statement. Selection only switch, transfer, break and continue. Clear? Now little bit more twist here. Break we understood. Shall we write continue here or later? Tick 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 tick. Shall I teach you continue here or not? No. I will teach you continue in while condition, okay? Not here. So this is all about your switch, okay? Now what left? If else done, switch done. Important thing for you to understand here. I am assuming that you know till Java 8, okay? Till Java 7, not Java 8. So what is Java 6, Java 7, Java 8? What is happening is that the code, once the Java will get released, right? Any of the technology will get released. Post that there is a several enhancement will come. So that enhancement have some release name or different name. So like that, for Java 5 is the one of the enhancement, Java 7 is the one of the enhancement. Now till Java 5, so within a switch you can have only byte, short, int and character, okay? Till Java, before Java 5. After Java 5, they have added the enum. Enum, what is the enum? Just forgot what is the enum, but enum is enum, that's all. I will explain you enum in different part, but only try to understand that after Java 5, the switch is applicable for enum also, enum type data. Now in Java 7, they have added the string also as a switch value. So in Java 7, byte, short, int, char, enum and string, okay? I will just quickly write one example for a string, then you will understand what exactly I am trying to say. Okay. So string my YouTube equal to APIPOTHI. Okay. This is the string, no doubt. So this is the variable I am passing here. Now I am saying, where should I say? We are done. So now what is happening here? So string my YouTube equal to APIPOTHI. YouTube is the variable name of string type holding the value APIPOTHI. Done. Now switch case is accepting this variable, means switch of APIPOTHI. Where it is matching, switch of APIPOTHI means case of APIPOTHI, where it is here. So this will get printed. Okay. So the string means this area only. So this switch statement is string also accepting the value. So you will get output as a case2 APIPOTHI. You see here? Simple. All good? Yes, no, maybe. Very good. So this is the switch condition and enhancement. Now coming to the while. What is the while? Now let me create the package call while. Just a moment, I will just copy this one. New file lab1. Sorry, I should have created the Java class. What I did. Hold on, guys. Now looks good. Import com dot APIPOTHI dot. I think while is the keyword, so it should not take. Now I have to do it whiles as I'm adding. Okay. Oh, sorry, package, not import. I think now all error resolved. Okay, here. Just copy paste. instead of Java, I have created the file. That is reason these are all things happen. Now what we are learning? While. While is another important concept, guys. Please focus here. How to teach you while? How to teach you while? So to understand the while, I should writing the while. Please focus here. Syntax is simple. While, open bracket, something means nothing but boolean only. Okay. Then within a curly braces, you have the logic. That is the syntax of while. Okay. As I said that while, here it will be it is expecting you value as a boolean only. Boolean means either true or false. Okay. So while true. So I am writing I am while true. See, if I will run this code, what will happen? What while is expecting? True. While is the continuous process until unless this is not getting false. Okay, that is the main things of while. Let me delete these are all lines of code. Now I'm running this code. You see some magic. Tick. Do you see this? I am while true is continuously running. As I said that the while is continuous process. So this will get stopped only when this condition is false. Got it? Now question is that how to make this condition as a false. Okay. Little bit more twist here. Int I equal to 10. Okay, this is the value. Okay. And I am saying that I is less than 10. Okay. I is less than 20. Let it be like that. I is less than 20. So now if I will run, what will happen? I equal to 10. 10 is less than 20. 10 is less than 20 or not? Condition true. This will get printed. Please understand this one. Ten is less than 20. This will get printed. Where is my cursor? I came here. Then again I will go here. I equal to less than 20. 10 is less than 20. Yes. Then again I will go here. Then 10 is less than 20. Again I will go here. So this is the continuous process will happen. Okay. Until your while condition is true. If I will run this code again, it will be an infinite loop only. Okay. Just hold on. Do you see infinite loop? To make this loop as a finite, what is our goal? Our goal is to make this condition as a false at some point of time. That is our main goal. Yes or no? Yes. So now I am putting here lab 3. Now question is that how to make the condition false? How to make the condition false? Tell me how to make the condition false. I is less than 20. 10 is less than 20. I need to do something where 10 is not less than 20 or something is not less than 20. Now what I am doing is that see I equal to 10. I can't do anything. 10 is less than 20. I cannot do anything. 10 is less than 20 means less than 20. But what I can do is I can slowly move the value of I. Okay. slowly move the value of I. Now how it will work? Please focus here. First iteration, 10 is less than 20. Condition true. Condition true means print. Done. Second iteration, now I came to here. I value is what? Earlier it was 10. Now value got increased by 1. Means 11. 11 is less than 20. Condition true. Then print. Then next 12 is less than 20. Condition true. Print. Then what? 13 is less than 20. Condition true. Then print. Similar fashion, sometimes back it will happen 19 is less than 20. Condition true. Print. Okay. Till now we are good. Now behavior will get changed from here. What? Now I value becomes the 20. 20 is less than 20. Yes or no? No. Condition false. Condition false means no print. If I will run this code now, it will print you only how many times? 10 times. You see here. Now this loop becomes the finite loop. Clear or not clear, guys? Please ping me on the chat window. Clear or not clear? Clear. So this is the while condition. Now little bit more twist on while. While lab number 4. Lab number 4 is, till now we understood that the while is all about the boolean, true or false. So I am providing the boolean here. What I am providing? Boolean. True. Means while I am true, but I don't want to do anything. I am terminating here. What will happen? Nothing will happen. Because you are not doing anything. Tick, 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 tick. Do you see anything happening? No. But your loop is running. Although you are not printing anything, but your loop is running. Do you see here red color? The loop is still running because your while loop condition is not getting false at any cost. It is always true. Now I have stop. Done. Clear or not clear? Good. Now what is in while? Now you must be thinking one more thing. Lab while true, int x equal to 20. This is true or false? This is the false. Why? Because see, while equal to true, you said, okay, let me write the bracket. Okay. Now this is fine. So after while, the concept here is that after while, if you have at least one condition, then bracket is mandatory. If there is no condition, if this one, all good, no problem. But if you have to write some code, one line, even though one line of code, you should have the bracket. See, without bracket, I am getting the error. So this is the not valid. Clear, guys? So I am commenting here just for your reference. To make this correct, what you have to do, create the lab number 6. Now you have to do this one, int x equal to 10, then open bracket, close bracket. That's all. Done. So this is all about the while. Now what is the do while? Do while is very similar to that. Very similar. Now coming to the package, do whiles. Now creating the Java class. This time I am doing correctly, lab1, and then I'm putting the main. Let me close everything. Do while is saying that first you do your work at least one, then start validating yourself. What while was doing? From the first iteration only, it was checking whether true or false. If true, then go ahead. If false, then terminate yourself. Do while is saying that do first work for me, then check yourself. Then check the you are true or false. But at least one go has to happen. That is called do while loop. Clear? Do while. Okay. What you are going to learn? Do while. As I said, just treat as a English. Do means do your work, then check your condition. So one condition has to happen. Do first iteration has to be done, then check your condition. Okay, that is called do while. Is there anything? Do logic while. Okay. Let me write the code. I don't like to teach you the theory. Do while. What to write here? B int b equal to 10. Int a equal to 20. So b is greater than a. This is the very intentional mistake I am trying to do. Okay, to understand the do while. I am do. Please focus here, guys. This is the important one. What I said for the do while. Before checking the condition, you execute my code. That is the simple English. Int b equal to 10, a equal to 20. What I am doing? Do some code. So this is executing. Line number 14 is all about the execution. Whereas line number 15 especially is to checking the condition. Yes or no? What I am checking? B is greater than A or not. B is greater than A means 10 is greater than 20 or not. Condition false. Condition false, ideal way, this line should not get printed. But because this is the do while is saying that without checking the condition, whether true or false, you execute at least once. So I am do will get executed or will get printed. Do you see here? Yes or no? Yes or no? So that is the do while. Simple. As simple as it is. Now let me one more twist here. Lab number 2. A is B is less than A. Now what will happen? What will happen? Infinite loop. Loop is getting infinite. Do you see? Because this loop is not getting false. The loop is not getting false anywhere. That is the reason this is getting still executing. So to make this condition false, what I am doing, what you want to do, b++, increasing the value of b. So at one point of time, this condition will get false. So let us see now. Now you see I am do while. So condition false, run. Difference between while and do while is both of them are looking for the condition, means boolean. Whereas extra with do while is that before checking the condition, it has to execute only once. That's all, either true or false. Clear or not clear? So this is the do and while. For loop will take 1 hour for me to explain. For each is easy. Break, continue, I will explain. For loop will take 1 hour for me to explain you. Okay. So what I'm thinking is that we will have the for loop on next classes. Clear, guys? So for now, that much only. All good? Yes or no? Today is what day? Today is what day, guys? 6. Just hold on. Day 6 Java Bootcamp. Commit and push. No need to see. So your code is already moved inside the Git or into the Git. You can have a look and check out. Okay. Thank you so much for attending the session. We will meet next week. Okay. We'll meet in next week. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Good night.